Recientemente, Aruba Airport Authority ha completado 4 proyectos que tienen un valor de más de 40 millones de florins. Durante una tarde especial, prensa invitada a un tour de 4 proyectos aquí.
I feel very privileged to be here today. As many of you know, a lot of these projects got off the ground prior to my arrival here, and I get the benefit of having to be here when they come across the finish line. So, but in sum total, these 4 projects were nearly 46 million florin investment, and it really demonstrates AAA's commitment to keeping pace with the airport's capacity needs. To my colleague Ronella, you just keep sending them, and we'll keep handling them. And these are 4 very critical projects. The East Apron project not just gives us additional aircraft capacity, but together with our bus gate, gives us the flexibility to operate in an environment where airline schedules change very quickly, and it gives us that flexibility without making very, very large capital commitments and gates to be able to accommodate some of this flexibility in the schedules. The East Apron project also included phase 1 of a hydrogen fueling system, which, although isn't imminently needed today, does set us up for more larger aircraft in the future, and we think it's an important strategic plan for us. The airfield lighting project, what a tremendous success this was. Improved the reliability of airfield lighting. The lights are brighter. You'll see them a little bit later when we go out on the bus and it gets dark. And they're using 84% less power than the old lighting system. And that's just a really tremendous win-win-win.
Bien, Mr. Facio, the CEO of AAA. Great job that you guys been doing. Ronella, bien, CEO of ATA, great job. Señor Stamper también, great job como Santa Siginanang na General Aviation. Itawag otro miembro ng others in the management team of the AAA. Bien na bosan tour, pero ita quiere bom pamiduna bien también ng colega de mim, Minister Otmar Oudibert, que é responsável para turismo e transporte e mais coisas na Aruba, pero kami mantém rato na edosna aqui, com a papia com o turismo, tá algo chiquito da economia, está quase mais grande que nossa economia. Se não estava outra coisa, estava mais grande que a economia. Bota fazendo trabalho excelente, Otmar, colega Oudibert. Riva é parte não somente de turismo, mas temos papel de 5% luna aqui, de 6+% também na turista que bem Aruba que queda aqui se vamos ver o resultado do projeto de transporte aqui na AAA tá hopi placa tá ordem em cada nossa economia, pero isso aqui tá para garantizar o voto bastante maneira não bisa the turismo e the economia de Aruba.
It was a long time of planning. I have to say that we are very proud also with the companies that were involved, the construction companies. For me, it's more than a pleasure, as I mentioned, because our airport during the last years, I have to say, have been doing extremely well in the sense of passengers going through this facility. We have mentioned that this airport was made almost 15 years ago to accommodate more or less a traffic of 3 million passengers, and today we are surpassing this and need to prepare ourselves for the future. And that's what we are doing. Planning, preparing our airport to accommodate the hard work being done by our tourism office and of course all the partners in the industry. So please, a round of applause to you all that have been working so hard in this industry.